Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this drawing into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user of a FreeCAD to get aware about the part design workbench. So let's start our tutorial. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. You can also purchase my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. This course I have a design for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, where beginner user can master the FreeCAD from the scratch. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link and my course link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have activated the part design workbench, and I will create a new file, and first I will insert my body and then I on my origin plane. So before proceeding further, we will understand our model, and according to that we will create our first sketch. So here we can see that this part is a circular because we have a PCD holes, and here is a sections view. So if we zoom the section view, then we can see here that here it is a diameter 16 and 22, which is this one. Outer one is a 22, and this angle is a 120 degree, and in this view we have the height. So what we will do, we will first create this profile, and then we will revolve it to the 360 degree along this axis. So let's start our sketching. So we will select this exit plane and create a sketch. We will switch to the model tab and of our origin plane, and now we will create our profile. So I will select the polyline tool, and then I will create a very rough profile, and I will join this, and now we will give the dimension. So here the outer dimension is 22, so I will select the horizontal dimension, these 2 points, and give it 11 mm because our diameter is 22. And now we will find out the total height. So if we see here is a total height is given is a 22. So I will select this line and click on this dimension and give the height 22, and now I will move it to the downside. So if we see, here is a dimension of angle is 1112, so this will be the 68. So I will select this and this and give the angular dimension, this to this, angular dimension 68. Say OK. Now we will come out of the sketch, click on the revolve tool. So you can see that our model has been revolved around the Z axis. Click on OK. Switch to the isometric view. Now we will make our next feature, which will be the material removal from the on this face. You may have the options to include that in the sketch, but I will make it separately. That is up to your choice. Now the whole dimension which we can find here, which is a diameter 16. So I will select the circle and give the diameter of 16 and close it, and click on pocket tool, and from drop down select true all, say OK. Now we will move to the next feature. We'll select the top face and click on sketch, switch to the isometric, and then click on the top. Now we can see here, from here it having the angle of 120 degree. So we will select the line, create one line and make it a construction, and from this to this we will give the angle of 120 degree, 120. And now we will project the outer edge, and now we will select the 3-point arc, and now I will make a coincident relation, and now I will tangent, move it, and now I will draw the two line, and the angle is given, it is a 22 degree. So from this one to this one will be 11 mm. Select this and this and give the angle. Why it is not coming? Give the 11 mm, and from this to this 2 will be 22. Add the tangency, now select this and this and give the angle of now I will delete this and give here construction, and now I will select the 3-point arc and then one more line and have the tangency relation, and now I will give the angle of 11 degree, 11, and then again I create a 3-point arc, add the tangency relation, add the tangent, here I will add the tangent, now give the radius, which is of radius 22, select this point and this point at the horizontal relation. Now make it construction, and let's see what is the unconstrained. This radius, which is of R6, and make this and this equal. And now here we will select the 3-point arc, and I will select this and this and give the horizontal relation. Select the 3-point arc, make the coincident relation, and now this is the fully constrained. Now I will select the 3-point arc, join this and this point, and I will make it equal. So this is fully constrained. Now I will come out of the sketch, click on the pocket tool, and from here select the through all and say OK. Now go to the top view, select this pocket, click on polar pattern and give the quantity 3. So you can see that it has been polared. Now we have to make this counter bore holes. So for the counter bore holes, we will select the bottom face and click on the datum plane, click on the isometric view, and from the Z directions, so here is a 4 mm, so I will create a plane at a 4 mm. So here I will give the minus value and I will say OK. Now I will switch to the isometric view, select this datum plane and create a sketch. And now this counter bore dimension is given. This is a 4.5 mm through and 8 mm, 4 mm from the far side, which is the 4 mm from the far side, so it is 8 mm. So what I will do, I will click on convert geometry and I will switch to the wireframe. And now here I will create a circle and give the diameter of 8 mm. I will close it and click on the cut, and from here I will say through all from the top side, click on OK. I will off the datum plane and switch to the flat lines, and now I will select this face and create a sketch. I will project the geometry. So I will close it, I will delete it, I will select the face and create a sketch. Instead of that, I will project the bottom edge, and now the hole size is 4.5 mm through, 4.5 mm through, and select the diameter and give the 4.5 mm. Switch to the top view and this point is not constrained, and make it coincidence. Sorry, select on merge, click on OK, and click on the cut and say through all. So here I have used the sketch tool. You can use the whole feature of a counter bore from at the top side. You can try it. Now we will polar pattern. So click on polar pattern and select these last two features, pocket 002 and 3. Give the 3, and from here select reference, select the axis, click on the OK. So you can see that it has been patterned. Now I will go to the model appearances and change the transparency. So here we have made the overall shape, but if you see our drawing, you will find that it has the radius, which is the 1 mm. So I will select this edge, click on the fillet, and I will select all edges, select all edges having the 1 mm fillet. So I will give the fillet of a 1 mm, say OK, and this edge also having the 1 mm. So I will select it, click on the fillet, say 1 mm, OK. So you can see that we have made all features as per our model shown here in isometric. So this is all about this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have enjoyed this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. I will come with more useful tutorial like this, and you can also support me on coffee.com. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.